the giver of the gift. He that spared not his own Son, but delivered him up for us all, how shall he not freely give us all things? Romans chapter 8 verse 32. God is the giver of the gift. The capability of the donor usually gauges the value of the gift. We don't usually think of a person as a gift, but actually interpersonal relationships are the most valued and cherished gifts of all. But the Bible teaches that God gave a person as a gift to every one of us, and that person is Jesus Christ. One day a 6-year-old boy in a southern town answered a knock at the door. It was his father, just returned from Southeast Asia. He didn't ask, "Daddy, what did you bring me?" He threw his arms around his father's neck and said, "Oh, Daddy, this is the best Christmas present I've ever had." Prayer for the day. Your costly gift of Jesus, Father, fills all the longings and desires of my heart.